This is a recap for Wednesday, January 13th. So in class today, we started working on CAMI for week 15. And so I'll redo the problems that we did. Order of operations says that we'll do parentheses and exponents, but there is none, and multiplication and division, but there is none. So we're going to do 25 minus 5, which is 20. And then we just copy the rest of it down. And then we continue to go left to right. So 20 plus 4 is 24, and then 24 minus 3 is 21. Next problem. We do have multiplication and division this time. We don't have parentheses or exponents, so we're going to do 5 times 8, which is 40, and then copy the rest of it down. It would be really tempting to do 40 minus 3. We're used to just reading left to right, but the order of operations interrupts that, and we do 3 times 4. So 40 minus 12 is 28. This next one caused a little bit of trouble. So we do what's in the parentheses first, so this comes first. And we're going to write the rest of it down. 47 minus 4 times 2. And again, it would be really tempting to do 47 minus 3 because we're just going left to right. But the order of operations says we need to do this first. So it's more like a recipe than it is reading a paragraph. And so we're going to do 47 minus 8, and that is 39. And now we are going to add in here exponents. So there's no parentheses, but there are exponents. So we're going to do this first. And so we're going to do 16 minus 4 plus 9 times 2 minus 5. The next step is looking for multiplication and division. Multiplication and division is right there. So 16 minus 4 plus 18 minus 5. Our next step is addition, subtraction, left to right. So we're going to do 16 minus 4, which is 12, plus 18. Whoops, we're going to have to use our eraser there. Sometimes it gets a little glitchy. So 12 plus 18. I think what I'm going to do is close this and then open it right back up. And hopefully that will fix it for us. Here we go. So 12 plus 18 minus 5. 12 and 18 is 30. 30 minus 5 is 25. Insert parentheses to make the following sentence true. If I don't insert parentheses, 4 times 5 plus 16 minus 2 is going to equal 20 plus 16 minus 2, 36 minus 2 is going to equal 34. But if we put the parentheses around the 5 and the 16, then that's what we have to do first. They interrupt the usual order of operations. 5 plus 16 is 21 minus 2, and then we do 4 times 21, and 4 times 21 is 84. 84 minus 2 is 82. So if we put the parentheses to the left of the 5 and to the right of the 16, that will get us 82. After we did this in class, then we had some time to work on IXL. We had a new way, a Jamboard, to ask questions that we're kind of working on learning how to do that. And we're continuing to review. So that is a wrap up for Wednesday, January 13th.